we back with another video. I'm Kellz.
I'm Sophia with the Kellz Reaction channel.
We said reaction channel. Today's not gonna be a reaction. Today we're gonna be trying. You see the title already. You already know.
No.
Chick-Fil-A
and Popeyes new chicken nuggets.
Let's y'all look at them.
Let me know which one you like. You got the soul and you got the Chick-Fil-A. These said they both look alike. This one got a more crisp.
Yeah, I got more crisp. This look more like the Popeyes chicken.
Yeah.
They probably just took the chicken and chopped it up. And made it like a chicken nugget. That's all.
For real. Let me tell you.
That's what Chick-Fil-A do too. I think they take the whole chicken and just chop it up.
Yeah. So they chicken pretty good.
Yeah.
So which one you like?
If I want to go by the tester, let me see. Let me put both of them
Together.
Man. I don't know, but Popeyes look good. Like, it look all nice and crispy and everything.
Crispy. Oh yeah, Popeyes didn't give us no sauce, so we got Chick-Fil-A sauce.
So you know how it is. Popeyes. But if I go by look, I would say Popeyes because I like the crisp, how it look crispy and everything. You know, Chick-Fil-A be having good chicken though. But we'll see when we try it. What you think? Which look do you go by?
I like this one. I like Popeyes.
It look good, right? It look nice and crunchy.
It look crispy. It look good. Yeah.
So we only got like 12 chicken nuggets from Popeyes because not too sure we're gonna like it.
That was a limit.
For real. But they had more. That's all.
But they had 30.
They had more. They got 30 chicken nuggets from Chick-Fil-A. Cause we know how the chicken nuggets taste. We like it. I'm hungry, you know. Before we did this video, I just got finished working out. But, you know. So this not KNS React. Today is KNS
Food channel.
Food challenge, I guess. Food try.
Video. Yeah.
Yes. And you already know we got the Chick-Fil-A sauce.
I wanted some honey mustard, but it's alright.
Why you asked for it?
I did ask for it at Popeyes.
Oh yeah, they didn't give it to us. Popeyes, I be slipping, y'all.
They always forgetting some. Chick-fil-A too, but Popeyes a lot.
Man, I know I was messing up the order a little bit. I was tired, but you know.
She forgot all about the sauce. So we about to try this Popeyes first.
You gonna try Popeyes first?
Yeah, I'm trying Popeyes first. Talk about. Why you wanna try Chick-fil-A first?
I mean, we already know how Chick-fil-A tastes.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I want to try something new first.
Let me take my glasses off.
It smells good. It smells fresh.
I ain't gonna be able to see shit when I take that off.
Little bites here and there.
I miss out on everything.
Damn.
You should try out the sauce first.
Well, I want to try mine with the sauce first. So you try.
I'll try mine without the sauce.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you right? The sauce like makes it 100 times better. What do you think without the sauce?
Well, I just bit into it. That's how it look.
That white fluffiness.
Damn, do y'all season the damn chicken?
I know. I was tasting it like it had no flavor. I don't wait. Let me taste it again. They just
Let me try again.
put some flour on it and threw that shit in the grill.
Yeah, this tastes like flour and, like you said, do it in the grill and fried it.
They did. Now this ain't Popeyes, bro. Popeyes got flavor. This don't have no flavor.
For a second, I would think it was like the
sauce
chicken and chicken breast. They just cut it up, but I don't think this is it. The chicken breast will taste like this.
That ain't it.
I'm gonna try with the sauce.
The sauce ain't better. That ain't it. Like the sauce got flavor. That's why. Now how you forget the sauce and the chicken is bland?
Yeah.
I don't think with Chick-fil-A you don't need sauce.
Let me see Chick-fil-A. You gotta try it.
Yeah, we got a little bit of flavor, like some salt and pepper.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
You taste it? Like it got something, but this got nothing.
Chick-fil-A do got more flavor.
They got a little flavor.
They got more flavor than that.
Yep.
So look wise,
Nice.
Popeyes ran but look wise. But when you try it, Chick-fil-A tastes
That Chick-fil-A tastes way better. See, I usually root for Popeyes because the Popeyes sandwich is so good, but the chicken nuggets.
Popeyes chicken is good. Like
Yeah,
Popeyes got some good ass chicken, but the chicken nuggets ain't hitting.
I didn't mess up the chicken nuggets. They ain't trying to have a raid. That's what they trying to do.
I know, right? They want you to go crazy
Yeah.
again, like for the Popeye chicken sandwich.
That's why that shit was empty. It's alright, but ain't all that.
Well.
You got nothing to say? You just gonna leave me hanging with these?
You got that. I'll eat another one of those.
Yeah, these ain't got no flavor. They just bland. Like you hungry and you just want something to eat, like get some of these.
Shit, you were hungry. I remember getting on that. That'd be the last thing I think about. I'm hungry as hell. Like, oh, let me go get them Popeyes chicken. That's gonna be the last shit I think about. I get a 2-piece with a biscuit before I get that.
And it's probably cheaper. Yeah. Cause right here, the 12 piece is like $9.90. No, $5.99. Yeah, $5.99.
Shit, crazy.
The combo is $9.99.
So we both agree, Chick-Fil-A chicken nuggets better.
Way better.
But look wise, we both agree. Popeyes stand out.
Yeah, dude.
But the taste don't stand. It's not there.
It's just not there. That's a shame. I had some high hopes for Popeyes.
For real.
They the soul chicken spot, you know? All the flavor.
Unless they just didn't make these right.
Louisiana chicken. Love that chicken from Popeyes. Nah, I don't love these. I don't love these right.
Everybody doesn't make it right. I had to go there and be like, yeah, let me get those fresh real quick.
They was fresh.
I know. I don't know. I'm starting to say something now. Hold on.
It tastes crispiness.
The kick on it starting to kick in. Maybe it was that first one.
They probably made a mistake.
Oh shit.
That's a mistake.
The second one good. Wanna try this one? Got a little flavor.
Oh yeah, that one tastes better.
Yeah. Maybe the first one we ate didn't get none of the season. You know
I had 2 of them, so.
You know how you got the chicken, you season it, and always a piece that miss out.
That was a mistake piece. They messed that up.
That second one I had was good.
That tastes a little better.
For real. Alright guys.
Chick-fil-A make you quiet.
So you Chick-fil-A, you quiet as hell. Be like,
You make all the noises.
I'm gonna eat one more before we go into a little, you know.
A little nap. Ooh, I got 3.
That's where that sauce, baby.
Yeah. I don't know if it's 30 all in there, but they gave us a lot of chicken.
I should have counted that shit. Make sure I got my 30.
Right?
Imagine when I gave you 29. Like, excuse me, man. I'm missing one chicken nugget. They're like, really? Some people be like that.
Some people do. Especially with the shrimp. Whatever.
Alright, guys. You ready?
What?
Alright, guys. We're going to do a little challenge. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do a little challenge. Since Chick-fil-A, we got 30 chicken nuggets. We probably going to eat like 4 of them. So, we're going to split it up. And we're going to see who eat it the fastest. Whoever win. If I win, what I get?
I don't know.
I should know what I want, right? If I win, you got to do the dishes.
Damn. Alright.
Let's split these shit up. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you got? 4. You weren't even gonna tell me. 6, 7.
5 minutes later.
I'll kick your ass.
I'm not even rushing. I'm just ready to eat it.
You just ready to eat? It's my first time eating after my workout. I ate earlier, but you know, I had to work out before I eat this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's about to put a lot of calories back in my body, but you know, basically worked out for no damn reason, basically.
Alright, you ready?
Alright, hold on. You gotta eat one at a time.
Okay.
You can't be like this. That's cheating.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One at a time. You can't put another one in your mouth until you finish that first one you put in your mouth. Ready?
Yeah.
And every nugget gotta get dipped before you put it in your mouth.
Okay.
Alright. Ready? Get set. Go. Washing you.
I'm full.
I think I miscounted. I played a little more to hers. One. I'm about to whoop your ass because last time you beat me. Yeah, I ain't check out our what was the spicy noodle challenge. Sophia beat me. Definitely check it out. I'm gonna put it down below.
It's hot.
How you feeling over there?
Alright.
Don't let me win.
Wow.
Nah, I ain't fair. You let me win.
You told me doing a spicy nugget one. That's what they do.
Yeah, I want us to do this. The honey. What was it? Honey spicy chicken nuggets.
That was a spicy nugget challenge.
Yeah, I think it was like a honey spicy chicken nugget challenge.
Oh.
That shit gonna have you going to the bathroom. That's when you hungry as hell.
But you still is.
I know Chick-Fil-A sauce. Shit good.
Yeah, it's good. I'm finished.
I didn't know everything. I got to that shit in my plate.
You serious?
What? You don't let you trying to challenge me.
You're not even trying to raise.
I'm racing.
Really? I went bed for this. I'm full.
No excuse.
No.
We can do the spicy nuggets right now. Put some hot sauce on my motherfucker.
No. I hate hot sauce. These nuggets starting to take kind of stale.
They alright. Probably wasn't a good batch.
Nah, I probably had some leftover ones.
Shit probably sitting there since yesterday. Put that shit in the freezer and then put it in the mic today.
That shit nasty. Yeah, he kind of stale.
And they are.
Chick-fil-A loser. They stay on that.
Yeah, the first one we had was good. Now Chick-fil-A nuggets starting to taste good. This shit crazy. You said we eat already with a been one. You think that?
Not that hard.
Okay, I'm about to go to Popeyes now. Chick-fil-A just got stale as
I
hell.
know, that's the only one I ate was Popeyes. They nasty now.
Chick-fil-A? You can get like dirty, you should make sure they fresh.
They lost out after 6.
I don't think Sophia would care about eating no shit.
No. They just stay up. So
Popeyes got better though. Like I don't know, it's starting to taste a little better. It's starting to taste the season.
they alright. They ain't worth no $5.99. I'd rather eat Wendy's chicken nuggets all day.
Alright. You think
Yeah.
any better than both of these?
Yeah, way better. I don't even like Burger King chicken nuggets, but I think they better.
Damn. You had Burger King chicken nuggets and you say they better
Yeah.
than?
Mm-mm. It's better. We get these to the birds.
You're gonna get the bird. They're gonna be happy. I don't think they care about flavor.
There.
If they do, I'll be laughing. You give it to the bird. They peck at it. They be all happy. As you walk away, they throw that shit right at you.
Like that shit nasty. You gonna start pecking at you, but
I know we bird, but damn, I don't disrespect us like that.
They don't eat wet bread. Like when it rains, they don't eat that shit.
Yeah, they kind of bougie with their food.
So what you thought?
I don't know. So you see, I won. She ain't even tried.
By default.
I ain't even by default. Look at that. It's clear I won. She ain't like them. But still, I won.
Not only that, I just had a chicken sandwich, so. The chicken sandwich is better than those nuggets.
They should have cut up the meat from the chicken sandwich.
Yeah, and that was from Popeyes, so I don't know. At least my sandwich was good. I would have been so mad I went there for no reason. Girl, what you thirsty?
Yeah, did that. Well then, next time we make sure we get some fresh nuggets, we're gonna do the challenge again. But I won, nigga. I won.
By default.
It's 1-1 now. It's not about no damn defaults. It's 1-1. Oops,
One.
let's burp. Whoop.
Yeah, spicy chicken nuggets challenge coming up later.
We're definitely gonna do that. Comment down below. Y'all want us to do the spicy chicken nugget challenge? Let us know. Whoop whoop. Let us know. And don't forget to check out our spicy noodle challenge.
Yeah, well, I kicked her butt.
I mean, she ain't kicked my butt. It was a close race. You know what I'm saying? You better watch for yourself and let us know what y'all thought it was. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all.
Alright, y'all. This was Popeyes chicken
Versus
nuggets
Cick-Fil-A.
versus Cick-Fil-A. Look wise, we said Popeyes won. Taste wise, we said Cick-Fil-A won. But as later on we would start eating it, Cick-Fil-A started to taste a little stale. And then later on when we start eating Popeyes, it started tasting a little better. So it's like kind of hard. It's like
50-50.
we like, yeah, like 50-50. I don't know. Maybe we gotta try it again and make sure they make it fresh. Maybe next time we try it again while we in the car, let them make it fresh and try right in the car. Yeah, instead of bringing it home.
And, I don't know.
But still, you bring your food home, it should still be the same, man.
I don't know about that. McDonald's food don't be tasting the same. When you bring it
I know, right? It's like when you get the food, like McDonald's, Popeyes, and stuff like that, and you actually eat it in the store, it tastes
good.
better.
Because it's fresh off the grill.
Yeah, so it's like better to eat it than to bring it home. But sometimes you want to sit there.
Like they fries. Oh yeah, those fries.
That's why you be tired. You want to come home.
You bring those fries home, they be nasty.
I know, right? When you did like best fries I ever had, bring them home like I don't want to have them.
But you know now with COVID, you can't really sit in restaurants and stuff. So
Yeah, so it's not the same. Shit crazy, not the same.
But yeah, I definitely say Popeyes kinda got something. They just need a little bit more seasoning and they be popping.
Basically.
Other than that, y'all.
I hope my trainer not watching this because I'm not supposed to be eating this. But you know you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright guys, we're gonna sign off. I'm Kellz.
I'm Sophia,
the
the
KS
Squad
Reaction channel. But today wasn't a reaction, it was the food challenge. So that should be KS Squad Food Challenge.
KS Squad.
We get it together. Comment down below what y'all think it should be. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that notification bell.
And leave a like and comment down below who chicken nuggets you think is best. Popeyes or Chick-Fil-A. Let us know. Peace.